Layatopia. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 4 Easter crafts. Ready? Let's get started. For our first craft, we're going to make Easter ornaments. We only need 3 ingredients: flour, salt, and water. I'm taking my 4 cups of flour, our 1 cup of salt, and our 1½ cups of water. Now we mix. Once it's the right texture, we roll it out. Now it's time to cut our shape. To do this, I'm using cookie cutters. Don't forget to poke a hole at the top for hanging. Bake it in the oven for 1 to 2 hours depending on the thickness. And we're done! Now the fun part, time to decorate. Add some glitter for more fun. Just add some string and we're all done. Look at our pretty ornament. Now it's time for craft number 2. For our second craft, we're going to be making Puffy Paint. You only need 3 ingredients: shaving cream, glue, and food coloring. All you do is take your shaving cream, put it in a bowl, and mix in some glue. Mix it together. Time to add some color. I have some cups and I'm going to scoop the shaving cream inside these cups. Once you have your cups filled, add as many colors as you want. We have all our colors. Now it's time to paint. We're going to use this blue paper, since we have a blue paintbrush, of course. I'm going to paint a rainbow. And I'm all done. Here's my finished picture. And when it's done drying, it's really fluffy. So cool!
It's so fluffy!
Now it's time for our third Easter craft. We're going to be making bunny art using chalk. It's super easy. You only need 2 things: black construction paper, some cutout shapes, and chalk. Take one of your shapes or cutouts and you take your chalk and color around the edge. Change colors as you go along. Once you have your bunny outline, you take your finger and spread the chalk out. Look at our finished bunny. Now you can take the rest of your chalk and draw a face. Here's my finished picture. Aren't they cute? Now it's time for our 4th craft. We're going to be making salt painted Easter eggs. You'll need glue, a paintbrush paper, salt, and watercolors. You can use regular paint or what I'm using, watered down food coloring. Take your paper and draw your eggs with some cool designs. Then you're going to trace the picture with your glue. So now our picture is completely outlined with glue. Now it's time to add some salt. And now it's time to paint. Dip your brush on one of the colors and then you put it on here. Watch the color spread. Remember to do it carefully. And here's my finished Easter egg. Well guys, that's all my Easter crafts. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And I'd love to see your Easter crafts, so if you made some of your own, post it on Instagram or Facebook with #Layatopia. And if you're not already, smack that subscribe button. Happy Easter!